Good day, Dodge and possibly stock car fans. Today we have a Greenlight. I got it off eBay from SurplusGoodies, and no packaging. This is just the way it came from them. So they kept the blister and then put it in a bag. I guess it works, right? The model showed up fine with no scratches. So let's take this out. So this is a third generation 1971 Charger, and this third generation spanned up until 1974. There was a new fuselage, sheet metal, and split grille on this series of Charger. The headlights being hidden like on this, well, this is an actual stock car racer, Buddy Baker racing this guy, and that's what I think this livery is about. Granted, it has, instead of 11, they have Racer's Edge. Maybe they couldn't get the full licensing or something from Buddy Baker, or I don't know. But anyways, you could have an option of hiding the headlights, but this one is clearly showing them. An option would also be a rear spoiler and a Ram Charger hood, which I believe is this. So, and also there's a square thing there on the casting. So, all right. Side view, this one seems to have an optional rear wing for sure, but we're just looking at the general proportions here. I try to hold in yeah, look at that. That's pretty good. The hood line and all that stuff matches really well. Okay, so this rear view, no wing. It's got 6 taillights here. It's interesting, they're angled, it looks like. Looking at that photo there. See? Interesting. Cool design. Alright, so let's see. We got this orange here is not metallic, just a regular orange. And what's up with this? Good year is totally gone. Yeah, it's supposed to be there, so maybe that's why they sold it without. Well, I don't know what's going on here. Let's start on this side. Whatever. This is fine. The little reflectors are okay there. This little stripe here is interesting. I don't know if that should be there, but it's this graphic, I guess. But it's not on any of the photos I pulled up. The Buddy Baker, or so I'm not sure what the deal is. It's quite interesting that they would do that. It looks cool actually, because it actually starts here, goes up, crosses to this plane, then comes back around here, and then goes up to the roof and terminates there. And then this also carries from the front. So cool. A lot of work. Alright, the tires look great. They have Goodyear printed on them. Eagle. They're not slab-sided. And then the wheels look pretty good too. Lug nut details, holes there. Rear one looks good too. I think some of the tires rubbing against the casting. It'll roll, but not freely. Alright, the Racer's Edge is the slogan for STP. I believe that was a motor oil and oil treatments. Oil filters and oil treatments. So maybe it wasn't oil, just the filters and treatments. Okay, silver paint for the door handle. These two little vents are missing, but it's just body colored on the real car, I think. At least the racing car it is. This is some plastic here. We'll get to the interior later. So the headlights are just painted white. Silver paint it looks like. All inside here. Oh, there's Dodge. Let me zoom in here. Yeah, there's actually a Dodge printed there and a tiny texture. I kind of feel like this should be black in here. Like right where I'm in the middle, and then write Dodge, but alright, a little graphic here for maybe turn signals, maybe? I'm not sure. And then this is going in and painted black. Alright. So the hood gap, yeah, it's kind of distracting because it's not even. It's really wide up here, pretty tight there. Some black detail here for those vents. And then this Ram hood scoop or whatever. This printing here again, you can see it carrying over, but it's not printed really well. Clearly this side is different from that side. Something went wrong here. Alright, well, let's see if this engine's even worth looking at. Well, at least the hood opens like a good amount. I hate when they don't. It's just not worth looking at. Look at this radiator, how it's just smooth there. It has to be from the molding process. It's just not enough detail for me. I would just rather have a nice looking outside than look at that. I was actually hoping this would pop up, but let me open that again. No, it's just permanently melted in place there. Okay, silver paint for the window chrome. Yeah, looks good on all the windows. Going to the back, we got those lights, and the Charger logo is close to legible. It's pretty small though. Little door lock, hood lock, and then it's nice to see Racer's Edge there, North Carolina. And then yes, these canted lights. There's like some angling going on here. The lights themselves might be flat, but this silver thing, these are angled. It's quite interesting. It reminds me of like Star Trek, classic TV show Star Trek stuff. I guess that was the same era. Alright, going to the bottom. Greenlight up at the top. 2007 is the copyright on this guy. And then very small printing, but eventually you'll figure out what the car is. And I guess, I don't know if that's a serial number or a production code. Oh, I think the sticker is a serial number. Alright, some sort of code there. Press fit together. I feel like this front tires for sure are too wide, but they have old school treads and stuff. Yeah, I bought this because I think it was like $2 or $3 off of eBay, so why not, right? I like classic cars. I don't really like the modern stock cars because they don't look like vehicles you could buy at a dealership. But this actually looks like a car you would buy at a dealership, right? So, in the Buddy Baker car as well. Alright, let's compare to a few other muscle cars of the 60s and 70s. Well, we got this Boss 426, I think. It's some sort of Mustang Boss from 1969, and this is from Greenlight as well. I like that this actually has a real hood scoop. You can see the blue engine peeking through. It's just that the hood doesn't open. Barely. But there is a blue engine, I guess, in there. Auto World here has this Mach 1 from 1973. And then I have a Plymouth Roadrunner from the same year. Another Auto World. So those are some of my muscle cars I've accumulated here. Which is your favorite? I'm not sure. I don't know which either this or that. They're just different, you know. These are so common cars. Everyone makes a casting of them. Kind of gets oversaturated. Let's get this in front of this picture. In respect of Mr. Buddy Baker. Well, it's a good model. Nothing majorly wrong. Yeah, I don't think there's actually any QC problems, right? Which is rare to say about a Greenlight. Most Greenlights, seems like it's not just me, but other people that review Greenlights, they very often have QC problems. Parts falling off, scratched paint. Oh, that Goodyear text over there. But I don't know if this is a brand new model. You know, it didn't have the packaging, so this might have been dropped for all I know. So I'm going to give Greenlight the benefit of the doubt and say this was a flawless model when it was brand new. Alright, so I do like the subjects that Greenlight does, so I'm going to continue to buy more. And hopefully you'll see that video when it comes.